Here are the important features of the Nagara style of art and culture. Shikara, tower. The Nagara style is characterized by its curvilinear tower known as the shikara or vimana. The shikara is often multi-tiered and gradually recedes in height, creating a stepped pyramid-like structure. Mandapa, hall. Nagara temples typically include a mandapa, which is a pillared hall used for various religious rituals and gatherings. The mandapa is adorned with intricately carved pillars and serves as an assembly space. Garbhagriha, sanctum sanctorum. The innermost and most sacred part of a Nagara temple is the Garbhagriha, which houses the main deity of worship. The Garbhagriha is usually square or rectangular in shape and represents the abode of the deity. Amalaka. At the top of the shikara, Nagara temples often feature an amalaka, which is a circular, disc-like structure symbolizing the cosmic axis or the sun. Kalasha. The finial of the shikara is adorned with a kalasha, which is a water pot symbolizing abundance and prosperity. Intricate carvings. Nagara temples are known for their elaborate and detailed carvings. The exterior walls are adorned with intricate sculptures depicting gods, goddesses, celestial beings, mythical creatures, and scenes from Hindu mythology. Ornaments and decorative elements. Nagara temples feature decorative elements such as Makara Toranas, arched gateways embellished with Makara, a mythical creature, Kirtimukas, demon masks symbolizing auspiciousness, and Chaitya windows, arched windows with decorative patterns. Pilasters and niches. The exterior walls of Nagara temples often have pilasters, vertical columns, and niches, recessed compartments, with sculptures of deities and figures. These elements add depth and visual interest to the temple architecture. Mandala layout. Nagara temples are based on a square or rectangular mandala, geometric diagram, that determines the temple's layout and proportions. The mandala represents the cosmos and symbolizes the harmony between the physical and spiritual realms. Regional variations. The Nagara style exhibits regional variations in different parts of India. For example, the North Indian Nagara temples have taller and more pointed shikaras, while the South Indian Nagara temples have lower and more rounded shikaras.